The pulse of any city is market. In Imphal, the two main markets, the Thangal Bazar and Paona Bazar, bustles with people every day. The two bustling market also houses banks, institutes, schools, cinema halls, among others. However, the congested roads in these markets is a nightmare for those coming to the market. Does this look like a road? The footpaths have been captured by the street vendors displaying their products. Vehicles are parked in the middle of the road. Where does a person on foot walk? 1/3 of the road is occupied for parking alone.
Swana double park toksile. Asi amakhaktang to do khudong cha da ani toksin bad ne hena khudong cha dre masi karai no arrange toraga nakal lamada bazar su nakna thamba yaba arrange ama to hningbba akhoi apamba lei.
The dedicated parking place for the vehicles are parked haphazardly. The parking line separating the two-wheelers and the four-wheelers is lost in the confusion. While there are traffic personnel deployed to control the situation, they too seem to be unable to control the problem. The parking area is known for notorious activities with regular reports of vehicle lifting from these parking spots.
Gari sim mayam si gyamenta de sashi loina khamjanabani na ko songi mamang thong sasu gai khamjalle chain se yungna aina khamba chain su khamjalle ri sumna kanda laiba gari mayam sigi mayam chathok chachin tawada degi asumda khoigi u pambi gi keno khari ba chu bu thengadra de mi bung sokadra.
If the out-of-control parking problem continues, one day there will be no road to drive by. It is high time the authorities look into the matter and solve the problem faced by everyday commuters.
It is not only the duty of the government but also the responsibility of each and every citizen of the state to make hassle-free road. While parking our vehicle, we should keep in our mind that there are also other people who are waiting to park their vehicle in the queue. In Paona Bazar with camera person Tarun, this is Gita Yanglam for Impact News.